You've set up your Shopify store, you've added your products, and you're ready to launch. But wait, you're missing a few crucial pages like the About Us page and the FAQ page. But don't panic, don't worry, I'm about to show you how to do this step by step. Sometimes thinking about adding custom pages can be a little overwhelming. You know these pages are essential for building trust and providing information, but the process seems a little confusing. You're worried about messing up your store's structure or creating pages that look a little unprofessional. And if this fear is holding you back, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So the very first thing you need to do, guys, is log into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center. So don't worry if it looks complicated. We're only going to show you one small part of it today. You navigate to the online store. And then what you want to do, guys, you want to click on pages, which is just here. So just click on pages. And this is where all of your custom pages will live. Now, as you can see, I've already got some pages here. So I've got the contact, I've got delivery, about us, returns and refunds. But if you wanted to add your own about page, the only thing you need to do is just click on add page just there. And as you can see, you've got title and you've got the content, which is the description of the page that you're going to be creating. And it even gives you the instructions just there. You can see, e.g. about us, size and chart, FAQ. But for this example, we're going to use the about us. And then what you want to do is you want to add your about us text in here. And as you can see, it's very, very simple. Got the main header here at the very top, and then separated by headers for like our mission, our team, our approach. Now, you don't have to have your contact us info on this page, but I'm just showing you an example of what you could possibly do. And you see how it's laid out very clear. And if you wanted to see the behind the scenes, the HTML section, you've got this icon just here that says show HTML. And if you click on that, it gives you the whole of the HTML behind the scenes sections. And if you wanted to add images to this page, you just click on this icon here that says insert image. And then what you do is you'd either add an image from your desktop, or you'd add in one of these images here. And it's the same thing if you wanted to add a video. All I need to do is just click on insert video, insert the snippet just here, which would probably be a YouTube embed code, and then just click on insert video. And what it will do is actually put your video here. So we're just going to add about us to this page. And by default, it says it's visible. But if you don't want this to be visible, all you need to do is click on hidden and then click save. And if you go back to your pages, go back to the main selection on the left-hand side here, you can see that now this is actually hidden. But we're not going to keep it hidden. We're going to make it visible. So just change it from hidden to visible and click save. There's our About Us page, and then there are all of the details as well. Now, if you wanted it to be part of the navigation up here, all you need to do is just click back to navigation, and where it's got main menu, just click on main menu just there. And what you would need to do is to add the page, what you need to do is click on this add menu item and then do a search for that page. Just type in about. And what it will do is it will try and find that page. So it brings up a collection, products, pages, blogs, blog posts, policies. These are things I've already created. But what you do is just click on pages, and you can see there, that's the original one, and that's the second one that's just there. So as long as you're happy with that, you just click on add, and basically what it's done is it's added the About Us page to the menu item. Yeah, just there. Now, depending where you wanted it, you can actually maneuver this around as well. So if you didn't want it to be part of a sales item, what you can do is you can maneuver it around in this menu system. So if you wanted it next to the home, all you need to do is just drag it to below the home button, click save, go back to your store, go back to pages navigation, go to about, and let's view this page. And as you can see, it's actually put the About Us in the header section there. And it's the same way if you wanted to remove it, you just go back to navigation, click on menu items, and then click on delete. And what it will do is it will just remove that. So it doesn't delete the page, it just removes it from the navigation. Click save. But even though we've deleted it from here, if you go back to pages, you can see it's still there. It's still a page on your store About Us. And if we refresh this now, you can see now that it's disappeared. It's gone. Now, I know there are a few questions in our forum, so I just want to address those in this video. There were a few people asking if there are any limitations on how many pages you can create on Shopify. And let me just say, there's no limitation to the number of pages you can add to your Shopify store, or even in the navigation, believe it or not. Shopify does not impose any strict limits. However, it's best to keep your navigation simple with no more than, I'd say, 5 to 7 items. If you need more pages, consider using the drop-down menus or footer links. Another person was asking whether this feature is available in other Shopify plans, and the good news is, yes it is. Rest assured, customer pages are available on all Shopify plans, including the basic plan. If you can't find the button, make sure you're in the online store and in the pages section. And if you still don't see it, try clearing your browser cache or contact Shopify support for help. So what custom page do you think is important for your store? Please leave it in a comment below. And my challenge for you today is to actually create one of these custom pages for your Shopify store. And guys, if you love this content, you'll love our free school community where we talk everything Shopify. You'll find all that information at our free community at theschool.com/the-ecom-network. There's a lot of fellow Shopify entrepreneurs just like you sharing all their strategies and all their tips within that free forum. So guys, to recap, adding custom pages to your Shopify store is really simple. You log in, you navigate to pages, you add your content, and then you just press save. Remember, keep it focused, add visuals, and use keywords for SEO. And what I love about adding custom pages to your store is the more that you have, as long as they're focused pages, you'll actually see your bounce rate. If you go into Google Analytics, you'll see your bounce rate start to decrease as people start navigating your store and finding new content and new product pages they've never seen before. It's actually the perfect next step to make your business really take off.